Hello students, welcome to my maths class. On my last class, I have discussed equivalent fractions and completed exercise 10b. Today I shall discuss fractions in lowest terms. Fractions in lowest terms. So, fractions in lowest term means a fraction is a fraction is in lowest terms. The fraction is in lowest terms when the numerator and the numerator and the denominator have no common fraction, no common factor. Other than 1. Other than 1. So, a fraction is in lowest terms when the numerator and the denominator have no common factor other than 1. So, for example, (12 by 18). For example, 12 by 18. 12 by 18 is lowest. We check 12 by 18 is lowest term or not. So first we take out the factors of 12, factors of numerator and factors of denominator. So factors of 12, equal to 1 is the common factor. So 2 6 are 12, 2 is the factor of 12. 3 4 are 12, 3 is the factor of 12. Then 3 4 are 4 is the factors, and 6 2 6 are and 12. 1 is 12. So factors of 12 equal to 1 2 3 4 6 12. Now factors of 18 denominator, factors of 18 equal to, we know 1 is the common factor, then 2 9 are 12, 3 6 are 12, 3 also factors, then 3 then 4 not, 5 not, 6 is the factor, then 9, then 12. So the factors of 18 equal to 2 1 2 3 6 9 12. Now we take out the common factors. Here 2. So 2 is the common factor of 12 and 18. 3 is the common factors of 12 and 18. Here 6 also common factors of 6 and 18. So we can say this fraction is not a lowest term. This fraction is in not a lowest term. Next example, suppose 3 by 7. So we take out the factors of 3, factors of 3 equal to 3, 1 is 3 and 3 is the prime number, so only factor is 1 and 3. The now factors of 7 also we know prime number, so 7 also the factor of 7 is 7 by 1 and 7. So here we get only common factor is only 1. Common factor is only 1. 3 by 7 common factor is only 1. So 3 by 7 is lowest term. Now we shall solve exercise 10C. Question number 1, exercise 10C. Question number 1, reduce to lowest terms. Reduce to lowest terms. Question number A, 4 by 8. So fraction is 4 by 8. We can reduce to lowest term in 2 or 3 ways. So first is taking out factors. Taking out factors of numerator and denominator. The factors of 4 numerator or 4 FACT, factors of 4 equal to, we know 4, 1 is 4, so 1 is the common factor, then 2 2s are 4, 2 is the factor, then 4, 1 is 4, so this factors of 4 equal to 1 2 4. Next, factors of 8. Factors of 8 equal to 8, 1 is 8, 1 is the common factor, 2 4 are 8, 4 2 are 8 and 8 1 is 8. So here we get common largest common factor is 4, here also 4. So if we divide both numerator and denominator by 4, then we get lowest term. So here 4 divide 4, 4 divide 4 is equal to 1 and 8 divide 4, 8 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 4 2 are 8, so 2, 1 by 2. The here lowest term is 1 by 2. Another way we can take by taking out prime factorization, by taking out prime factors. So first 4 by 8. First we take out the prime factors of 4. 4, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 is 2. So 4 by 8 equal to prime factors of 4 equal to 2 into 2 into 1. Next we take out the prime factors of 8. Prime factors of 8. 2 by 2, 2 4 jar 8, 2 2 jar 4, and 2 1 is 2. Here we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. So now if we cut common factors, if we cut, then 2 2 2 2. Here upper remain 1 and down 2 1 is 2. So the lowest term is 1 by 2. Another way also we can do, we can take out by reducing with cutting. Suppose 4 by 8. 4 1 is 4 and 4 2 are 8. Answer is 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. Next question number B. Number B, 3 by 6. So we take out the factors of 3. 3 is a prime number. F S E T O R S, factors of 3. So here 3 is a prime number. So we know the common factor is 1 and 3. The factors of 3 equal to 3, 1 and 3. Now the factors of 6. So we know 6, 1 is 6. 1 is the common factor. Then 2 3 jar 6. Then 3 1 is 3 2 jar 6 and 6 1 is 6. So the factors of 6 equal to 1 2 3 6. Now common factor here 3 3. So we divide common factors both numerator and denominator. So here 3 3. Here we get 3 divide 3 is equal to 1. 3 divide 3 is equal to 1 and 6 divide 2. 6 divide 3 is equal to 2. Here also lowest term is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Next question number C. Question number C, 2 by 10. So factors of 2 equal to, so we know 2 is prime number, so it is only 2 factors are there, 1 and the number itself 1 and 2, and factors of 10 equal to, we know 1 is the common factor, 10 1 is 10, 2 5 jar 10, 2 5 jar 10, so 2 is the factor of 10. Next 5 2 jar 10, then 10 1 is 10. So now the common factors equal to 2 2 2 and this only 2 is the common factor, so we can divide by 2 2. So 2 1 is 2 and 2 5 jar 10. 2 1 is 2 and 2 5 jar 10. So answer is 1 by 5. Lowest term is 1 by 5. Next question number D. Question number D, 6 by 8. 6 by 8. Here we take out the prime factors, then we reduce the fraction. So first we take out 6. Prime factors of 6 equal to 2 3 jar 6, 3 1 is 3. Next 8 2 4 jar 8, 2 3 2 2 jar 4 and 2 1 is 2. So here 6 by 8 equal to the prime factors of 6 equal to 2 into 3 into 1 and the prime factors of 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. So now the common factors here only 2. So here remain 3, 1 is 3 and 2 2 jar 4, 2 2 jar 4. So lowest term equal to 3 by 4. Lowest term is 3 by 4. Next, question number E. 12 by 28. 12 by 28. First we take out the common factors of 12. Factors of 12 equal to 12 1 is 12, 12 2 6 jar 12, 3 4 jar 12, 4 3 jar 12, 6 2 jar 12 and 12. So prime factors of 12 2 3 prime only factors of 12 equal to 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Now factors of 28. So 1 is the common factor, 2 14 jar 2 12, 2 14 jar 12 28, then 4 7 jar, then 7 4 jar, then 14 2 jar, then 28 1 jar 28. So factors of 28 equal to 1 2 4 7 14 28. 1 2 4 7 14 and 28 are the factors of 28. Now the highest common factor is 4, here also 4. So we divide by 4. We divide by 4. 4 3 jar, sorry 4 4. So 4 3 jar 12 and 4 7 jar 28. So lowest term is 3 by 7. And if we do with 28, so we can do like this also, 3 4 3 jar 12 and 4 7 jar 28. Answer is 3 by 7. Like this also we can do. Next, question number F. Question number F, 9 by 33. So factors of 9 equal to 1 is the common factor, 9 1 jar 9, 9 3 3 jar 9 and 9. Next, factors of 33. So we know 1 is the common factor, 33 1 jar 33. Next, 3 3 11 jar 33, next 11 3 jar 33 and 33 1 jar 33. So the factors of 33 is 1, 3, 11 and 33. Now the common factor is 9. Common factor is 9. We divide by 9. Common factor is 3. Common factor is 3. So we divide by 3 both numerator and denominator. Now 3 3 jar 9 and 3 11 jar 3. If we divide 33 by 3, then 11 3 jar 33. So answer is lowest term is 3 by 11 or 9 33. So we cut 3 3 jar 9 and 3 11 jar. Answer is 3 by 11. Next question number G. Question number G. 14 by 35. 14 by 35 factors of 14 equal to 1, 2 7 jar 14, 3 cannot, 4 cannot, 5 cannot, 6 not, 7 2 jar 14 and 14 1 jar 14. So factors of 14 equal to 1 2 7 and 14, and factors of 35 equal to 1 2 cannot, 3 not, 4 not, 5 7 jar 35, 7 5 jar 35 and then 35 1 jar 35 1 jar 35. So now common factor is 7. If we divide by 7, then we get 14 divide 7 equal to 2. 14 to 7 2 jar 14 and 7 5 jar 35. Answer, the lowest term is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Next question number H. H 35 by 49. So like this we take out factors of 35. Factors of 35 equal to factors of 35 equal to 35 1 jar 35, 35 5 7 jar 35, 7 5 jar 35 and 35 1 jar 35. The factors of 49 equal to 1 and 2 cannot, 3 cannot, 4 cannot, 5 cannot, 7 jar 49, 7 jar 49 and 49 1 jar 49. So here we get the only common factor is 7. Only common factor is 7. So if we divide by 7, then 7, then we get 35 7 jar 35 divide by 7. So 7 1 is 7, 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35 and 7 7s are 49. So answer is, lowest term is 5 by 7. Next, I 2 by 12 by 8. This one we take out prime factors by prime factorization. So we take out prime factors by factors of 12 equal to 2 6 jar, 2 3 jar and 3 1 jar. Next, 12 2 6 jar, 2 3 jar, 3 1 jar is. So here we get 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 and 12 2 times I did here 8 here 2 4 jar 8, 2 2 jar 4 and 2 1 is 2. So here we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. So if common factors common here common 2 here common 2 we cut 2 cut. So here remain 3 1 is 3 and 2 1 is 2. So the lowest term is 3 by 2. Lowest term is 3 by 2. Next question number J. Question number J, 20 by 16. 20 by 16 by prime factorization. So 20 by 2, 2 10 jar 20, 2 5 jar 10 and 5 1 is 5. So 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 1 and 16, 2 8 jar, 2 4 jar, 2 2 jar, 2 1 jar. Now the prime factors of 16 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. So here 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 1 and 16 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. So here common is 2 2 2 2. So here remain 2 5 1 is 5 and 2 2 jar 4, 4 1 is 4. So lowest term is 5 by 4. Next question number 2. Which of these are in lowest term? Question number 2. Which of these are in lowest terms? Lowest terms. Question number A, 1 by 3, B, 2 by 5, C, 4 by 6, D, 3 by 7, E, 9 by 14 F 10 by 15 G 24 by 40 H 33 by 28 I 45 by 48. Now we see which of these are in lowest term, we give tick mark. So here 1 by 3. So we get the numerator is 1 and denominator is 3. So 1 and 3, if we factorize, if we take out the factors, then we get only common factor is 1. So this one is lowest term. Next 2 by 5. 2 by 5 also 2 is prime number and 5 is also prime number. So only common factor is 1. Only both 2 and 5 only common factor is 1. So this one also lowest term. Here 4 and 6. If we take out the factors of 4, then we get 1, 2, 4. And if we take out the factors of 6, then we get 1, 2, 3, 6. So here 2, 2 is both are common. So this one is not lowest term. Next 4 by 6 is not lowest term. So next 3 by 7, 3 is prime number and 7 is also prime number. So only common factor is 1. So that's why 7 by 3 by 7 is lowest term. 9 by 14. 9 by 14. So if we take out the factors of 9, then we get 1, 3, 9. And if we take out the factors of 14, then we get 1, 2, 7, 14. So no common factors except 1. Only common factor is 1. That's why 9 by 14 is lowest term. 9 by 14 is lowest term. Next 10 by 15, common factor is 5. Common factor is 5. That's why this one is not lowest term. Next 24 by 40. So 2 is the common factor of 24 and 2 is the factor of 40 also. That's why common factor is 2. That's 2, not only 2 more, this 4 also. So that's why this 24 by 40 is not a lowest term. 33 by 8, the only common factor is 1. That's why 33 by 28 is a lowest term. And here 45 by 48. If we take out the factors of 45, then we get 3 is the factors of 45 and 3 is the factors of 48 also. And so this 45 by 48 is not a lowest term. So here we get lowest term is 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 9 by 14, 9 by 33 by 28. Now we shall solve exercise 10D. Exercise 10D. D. Adding and subtracting like fraction. Adding and like fractions. So like fractions means fractions with same denominator is called like fraction. So now we solve. Now we shall solve exercise 10D, adding by coloring. Before that, we write two formulas: the sum of like fraction, sum of like fractions equal to sum of like fractions equal to sum of numerator, sum of numerators, sum of numerators, common denominator. Common denominator. Like sum of like fraction equal to sum of numerators and common denominators, and difference of like fractions equal to difference of like fraction equal to difference of numerators, difference of numerators by common denominator. Difference of numerators by common common denominator. Difference of like fraction equal to difference of numerators by common denominator. So now we start question number 1. Question number A, add by coloring. Add by coloring. Question number A. One, two, three, four. So here 5 equal parts are there. 5 equal parts are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts are there, and fraction is 1 by 5 green. 1 by 5 green plus 2 by 5 orange. 2 by 5 orange equal to dash. So here we see 1 by 5 green. So only out of 5 parts, 1 part is green. Suppose this part is green, GREEN, green. This part is green, and out of 5 parts, 2 part is orange. ORANGE, orange. These 2 parts are orange, and 1 part is green. So out of 5 parts we get how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 3 parts. So here we can write 3 parts out of 5 parts. So if we add 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5, we get 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Next question number B. One circle is divided into 6 equal parts. Six equal parts. The fraction is 2 by 6 red plus 2 by 6 red plus 3 by 6 yellow, so equal to dash. Now what red 2 by out of 6 part 2 parts is red. If these 2 part red, we do red, all parts are equal, red red, and out of 6 part 3 parts are yellow, 1 2 3. These 3 parts are YELLOW, yellow. These 3 parts are yellow. Now how many total how many parts are shaded? The shaded red and yellow, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 by 6 parts are shaded like this. Next, question number 2. Add. Question number 2. Add 2a 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. So we know what if like fractions are like fractions, then only one common denominator we take, here 4, and the sum of the numerators. So this one and this one we do plus 1 plus 3 2, sorry, 1 plus 2. So answer is 1 plus 1 equal to 2 equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Question number next B. Uh, 3 by 9 plus 4 by 9. So like same, first we take one common denominator, only 9, and then 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Here 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 by 9. Answer is 7 by 9. Next, question number C. Question number C. 6 by 11 plus 8 by 11. 8 by 11. Here, like same, we take one common denominator. Here 11. So we take 11 plus 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 by 11. So if we keep here, then also finish, and if we take it, if this 14 by 11 is improper fraction. If we change into mixed fraction, then 11 14. For 11 1 is 11, remain 3. So 1 3 by 11. 1 3 by 11. Next question. Question number D. 2 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8. Same, we take one common denominator, 8 8 8, so only we take 8. Here 2 plus 3 plus 1. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 by 8. Now if we reduce into lowest term, then we cut 2 with the common factor is 2. If we take out the factors, then we get 2 is the common factor of 4 and 8, 6 and 8. So 2 3 jar 6 and 2 4 jar 8. Answer is 3 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4. Next, question number E. 4 by 13 plus 5 by 13 plus 3 by 13. 3 by 13. So we take only one denominator 13. So here 4 plus 5 plus 3. 4 plus 5 plus 3. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 12 by 13. So here answer is 12 by 13. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 finished. Next, question number 3. Subtract by crossing out. So subtract by crossing out. Number A. Seven equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 7, 6 parts are shaded. 6 parts are colored or shaded. Only one part is left. Now the fraction given 6 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So here 6 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So we know if we fractions are like fraction, the common denominator and we take out the difference of numerators. So here 6 minus 3. If we cut 3, give cross 3, 1, 2, 3. Here remain 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3 by 7. Answer is 3 by 7. Next, question number B. 6 by 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 equal parts are there. Out of 6, 4 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. This out of 6, 4 parts are colored. Now the fraction is 4 by 6 minus 2 by 6 equal to dash. So here we get 4 parts are color. If we cross 2 parts, here 6 by 2 means out of 6 part 2 parts here, 4 by 6 means out of 6 part 4 parts, or 4 parts out of 6 parts. So here if we cross 2 parts, 1 2, here remain 1 2. So answer is 2 by 6. Answer is 2 by 6. Next question number 4. Subtract. Question number A. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. We know ये fractions are like fractions. So here 4 is denominator, there also 4, that means both fractions are like fraction. So we take only one common denominator, and when we subtract, then we get the difference of numerators. So now we do the difference of numerator, means 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So down is 4, denominator is 4. So answer is 1 by 4. Answer is 1 by 4. Next question number B. 13 by 15 minus 6 by 15. So now common denominator is 15 and 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6, 13 by minus 6 is equal to 7 by 15. 7, answer is 7 by 15. Question number C. 12 by 17 minus 5 by 17. Now here common denominator 17 and 12 minus 5. Now here 12 minus 5 is also is equal to 7. 7 and denominator is 17. Here also answer is 7 by 17. Next question number 5. Question number 5. Add. Add a 4 by 9, 4 by 9 plus 3 by 9. 4 by 9 plus 3 by 9. So denominator is same. So like fractions are like. So we take 1 9, and here 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 by denominator is 9. Answer is 7 by 9. Next question number B. 3 by 11 plus 7 by 11. So here also like fraction, then 11 is common denominator. We take 11 and 3 plus 7 numerators plus. Now what? 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 and denominator is 11. 10 by 11. Next question number C. 5 by 12 plus 3 by 12. Here also denominators are same, so we take only 12 and 5 plus 3 equal to 8 by 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and by 12. So if we keep that, then also no problem, but if we take into lowest term, then we have to cut. So we know the common factors of 8 and 12 are 4. So 4 highest common factors of 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So answer is 2 by 3. Answer is 2 by 3. Next question number D. Question number D. 7 by 14 plus 1 by 14. So here 14 is this common denominator, same 14. So we take one common denominator, and here 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. So here 8 by 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 by 14. So 2 is the highest common multiple factors. So we cut 2 4s are 8 and 2 7s are 14. 2 4s are 8. 2 is the common highest common factor. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 7s are 14. Answer is 4 by 7. Answer is 4 by 7. Next question number E. Question number 7. So question number E. 4 by 15 plus 5 by 15. 4 by 15 plus 5 by 15. So common denominator is 15 and 4 plus 5, numerator plus 4 plus 5. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 by 15. So highest common factor is 3. So if we cut with 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. Answer is 3 by 5. So answer is 3 by 5. Next F. Question number F. 8 by 18 plus 4 by 18. 8 by 18 plus 4 by 18. Here 8 plus 4, common denominator 18. 18 is the denominator, and 8 plus 4, here 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 12 by 18. So the highest common factor is 3. We cut with 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 and 3 6s are 3. Next if we cut 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So answer is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Next question number 6. Question number 6, subtract. Question number A, 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5. So here common is 5, denominator, common denominator is 5 and 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, so 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 and denominator is 5. Answer is 3 by 5. Next question number B. 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. So here common denominator is 9 and 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 by 9. So here the common highest common factor is 3. 9 and 3 highest common factor is 3. So 3 1 is 3 and 3 3 are 9. Answer is 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. Next question number C. 7 by 10 minus or 2 by 10. Here common denominator is 10. Common denominator is 10 and 7 minus 2. Common denominator is 10 and 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 by 10. If we cut by with 5, 5 1 is 5 and 5 2 are 10. Answer is 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2. Next question number D. Question number D. 4 by 9 minus 3 by 9. So here common is 9 and 4 minus 3. Here 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Answer is 1 by 9. Next question number E. 11 by 12 minus 5 by 12. Now common denominator is 12. We take one denominator, then 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. So 11 minus 5 is equal to 6 and 12 by 12. Denominator 12. So 6, 1 is 6, 6 2 are 12. Answer is 1 by 2. Next question number F. 12 by 14 minus 8 by 14. So here 14 is common denominator and 12 minus 8. So here 12 minus 8 is equal to 4 and 8 minus 4 by 14. So now we cut by 2. 2 2 are 4 and 2 7 are 14. 2 2 are 4, 2 7 are 14. Answer is 2 by 7. Next question number 7. Question number 7. Find. F-I-N-D. Find. So here question number A. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So here 5 5 5 same like fractions. So we take 1 5 and upper 1 plus 2 plus 1. So answer is here get 1 plus 2 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 5. Answer is 4 by 5. Question number B. 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8 plus 1 by 8. So common denominator is 8 and 3 plus 2 plus 1. So here 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 6, 6 by 8. If we cut with 2, 2 3 jar 6 and 2 4 jar 8. Answer is 3 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4. Next question number C. 3 by 12 plus 5 by 12 plus 2 by 12. So now 12 is the common, then 3 plus 5 plus 2. Here 2 plus 5 8, 9 10, 10 by 12. So if we cut with 2 5 jar 10 and 2 6 jar 12. So answer is 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Next question number E. A B C D. 5 by 16 plus 7 by 16 plus 2 by 16. Here 2 by 16. Here denominator is 16 and 5 plus 7 plus 2. 5 plus 7 plus 2. Here 7 by 5. 7 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 by 16. If we cut by 2, 2 7 jar 2 7 jar 14 and 2 8 jar 16. So answer is 7 by 8. 7 by 8. Next E. 3 by 20. 3 by 20 plus 9 by 20 plus 7 by 20. Here 20 common. So 3 plus 9 plus 7. So here 3 plus 9 is equal to 12 and 12 plus 9 7 is equal to 19. 19 by 20. Answer is 19 by 20. Next question number 8. Question number 8 again find. Question number A. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. So like same denominators 5, we write 5 and here 2 plus 3, here minus, so we give here the sign is minus, minus sign is there, we give minus 1. So now 6 5 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 minus 1 by 5. Here 5 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 5. Answer is 4 by 5. Next question number B. 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7 minus 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7. So here 7 is the common denominator, but here 3 minus 2 plus 1. Now 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Here remain plus 1 by 7. Now 1 plus 1 equal to 2 by 7. Answer is 2 by 7. Next question number C. 7 by 9 minus 8 by 9 plus 4 by 9. Now denominator is 9. 7 minus 8 plus 4. So here we see 7 minus 8 is not possible. So first we do here no sign is there, that means plus is there. So this one plus and this one plus. First we do 7 plus 4, or we can arrange also. If we arrange like this, 7 plus 4 plus minus 8 by what? 9. Now 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 11 minus 8 by 9. Now 11 by 8 or 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. 3 by 9. If we cut, 3 1 is 3 and 3 3 are 9. Answer is 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. Next, question number D. Question number D. 7 by 15 plus 4 by 15 minus 2 by 15. So here common denominator is 15 and 7 plus, here sign is plus, 7 plus 4 minus 2. Now 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 11 minus 2 by 15. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9 and by 15. So if we cut with 3, 3 3 are 9 and 3 5 are 15. Answer is 3 by 5. Answer is 3 by 5. Next question number E. Question number E. 6 by 21 plus 10 by 21 plus minus 2 by 21. 2 by 21. So here denominator is 21, 21, 21. So all are same. So all the fractions are like fractions. So we take only one denominator. Denominators are one common denominator, and here 6 plus 10 minus, their sign is minus, we give their minus 2. Now 6 minus 6 plus 10, 6 plus 10 is equal to 16 minus 2 by 21. So 16 minus 2 is equal to 14 by 21. So here 7 and here 21, we know highest common factor is 7, we cut with 7. 7 2 jar 14 and 7 3 jar 21. So answer is 2 by 3. Answer is 2 by 3. So students, today up to this, if you have any doubt, call me at night. Thank you.